Unlocking the power of are, a journey into possessive adjectives. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today we'll be diving deep into the world of possessive adjectives, focusing specifically on the first-person plural possessive adjective, are. This little word packs a lot of punch when it comes to expressing possession in English. So let's get started, shall we? The word are is a possessive adjective that indicates something belongs to us, the speakers. We use it before a noun to show that the noun is related to us in some way. For example, in the sentence, "This is our dog," the word are indicates that the dog belongs to us. It's important to understand where are fits into a sentence. It always comes before a noun or a phrase serving as a noun. For example, you might say, "We love our home," or "This is our friend John." Here, are is directly before the noun it modifies, indicating a connection to the speaker. While are is a first-person term, like I or me, it is used to refer to more than one person. For instance, you might use are when speaking on behalf of your family, your team, or any other group that you are a part of. Consider the sentence, "We are proud of our achievements." Here, are signifies that the achievements belong to a group that includes the speaker. Understanding when to use are instead of other possessive adjectives like my, your, his, her, its, their, is crucial. While my refers to something belonging to me alone, and your, his, her, its, their, refers to something belonging to you, him, her, it, them respectively, are is used to denote something belonging to us, the group that includes the speaker. So there you have it, a deep dive into the possessive adjective, are. Understanding and using this term correctly can help you express ideas more clearly and accurately in English. Keep practicing with are in your everyday conversations and writings, and you'll master it in no time. We hope you found this explanation helpful, and we're looking forward to exploring more English grammar topics with you. Happy learning!